Hello, I just wanted to say before I start the video, as I'm walking my way there, that I didn't really want to milk the bunkers as I have done on this channel. It was just the case that I made the history video earlier on this year, then of course in September now it's gone up for sale, and I didn't think there was any way I could actually have a look because, well, I'm not going to buy the bunker. But it turns out Jim the auctioneer was very nice, and he has invited me to go into the bunker to have a nosy. So thank you very much to him and SDL Auctions. So here's another video of me going inside.
Put fence round, put some trees up, popped his caravan. Yeah. So access to this. That was connected. Yeah, I mean, it's. I didn't see that.
Yeah.
A lot full. Soon that memory being
Yeah. Which nobody wants.
The wife wants to get rid of them. You know what I mean? I've got old military equipment. I couldn't get the AK-47 out. I
For a bit, and then you go caving and down Edale and a lot of places. Yeah, around in Derbyshire. Spend quite a bit of time away abroad as well.
So my thoughts on the bunker. It was very interesting to be allowed to look around one. I will say the ladder shaft was a lot tighter than I thought it was going to be. But once you're down there, the room at the bottom is pretty much what you expect. It's a decent size. You can fit quite a few people in there. There are some remnants of when it was operated by the ROC, including a jacket, which I don't know is original or not, but it is very cool to see. Other things like the satin curtains and carpet are interesting, but overall, the property was really cool to look around. I was talking to the auctioneer Jim, and he said that he's sold others in the past, and they do garner quite a lot of attention, and this one seems to have done so too. This one does seem to garner more hobbyists, particularly because the other ones that you might have sold were in busier locations. This is literally in the middle of nowhere with zero access. You can't park your car, there's no utilities, no electricity, no water, there's nothing. And along those lines, I did talk to the farmer who owns the field around the property. He's a lovely bloke, and understandably is quite concerned with people loitering and looking around at the bunker. So if you do want to have a look at the bunker yourself, please stick to the road. Do not go up the farmer's lane, do not go in the yard, because that is just suspicious. Trespassing. It looks like you're going to nick something, so don't do that. Stay away from it. Just look from afar, appreciate from afar. Just butting in before the end of the video, cleaning Ashwood Park. This is barrow number 1, barrow number 2, and barrow number 3. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you once again to Jim, SDL Auctions, and of course the farmer, and also everyone I was on the viewing with, because they were lovely and they allowed me to film on my own. I hope you enjoy your weekend, and next week, whatever you get up to, and until next time, ta-ra.